socialization. This is our family application book worksheet 1.4. In that last section we have to complete it up to here. First worksheet number 1.1 and second this page also true or false finish, and worksheet number 1.2 page number 5 you have to complete match the following and complete the with your family photos and names. And next we have to complete in the last session. Now we have to go into this 1.3 worksheet, that is a person who cannot see cross the road. Yes, that is that first one. Yes, what is that? A person who cannot see cross the road, that is S. And an old lady not being able to eat on their own. Yes, that is S. What is that? An old lady not being able to eat on her own, then we can feed the old lady, that is true. That naughty boy throwing stone on a dog. Yes. Next, a sick old man trying to get off his wheelchair and stand up. No, he cannot. Old person, he cannot stand their own on wheelchair. We have to give to support. Last one, no. First one yes, second one yes, third one yes, fourth one no. Next, state whether true or T or false means F. That is, everyone does not have a family tree. No, false. Everyone have family tree, their own family tree. And then every family has a history. Yes. Yes, every family have a their history. The children resemble their neighbors. No. That we treat everyone with love and respect. Yes, we can treat with others love and respect. And our old people and children with the special needs, the special care and attention. Yes, we are giving to special needs to special care of the children and old people. For first one, yes or no? First one yes, second one yes, third one yes, fourth one no. And second bit, everyone does not have a family tree, that is false. Every family has a history, yes. Children resemble their neighbors, no. False. We treat everyone with love and respect, yes. Old people, children and with needs special care and attention. This is that up to here worksheet 1.3 page number 5 we have to finish. Up to here we have to finish. Yes, our children, what is that worksheet number 1.3 and first bit, will you help the people these situations? Yes or no? We have to up to 4 finish. Second one true or false finish, and they have to move to next page for the worksheet number 1.4. I wrote only answer on the board. See, I will repeating, I will telling the question. Manu's friends Rahim was something in his ear. What is this called? It is does not. It do. What is that? Is ear pin. That is called as machine. Machine means those who are not listening ears, they have to have special machine. That is why they can put the ears are machine kept into ear, they can hear with the help of machine. Yes. What is that? Manu's friend Rahim wears something in his ear. What is it called? What does it to do? That Rahim cannot hear properly. That is ear machine. That is ear machine. What is that? Machine. That to hear. We can put in our ears, that can, without ear machine, Rahim cannot hear. Then it do hear through the medicines. Through the medicines. He also taking medicines and through using ear machine. It is that ear called ear machine and to hear medicines also. It can clearly they can hear the words. Next, look at the picture. What is it called? Here picture. Do you know anyone who's use it? Stick. This is called hand stick. Who will use that? That grandparents, old people are using for supporting to walking. See answer. It is called hand stick. What is that? It is called hand stick. Grandparents use it to support. Grandparents use it to support to their walking. To their walking. They need stick walk properly. Yes, they need stick to walk properly. Why they need stick? Because of old age they can't walk properly. They need the stick to support while they have to going outside for walking, or anything they going to cross the road, and anything they have to need support. Their own needs. With the help of hand stick they can use walk properly. Next question, that is, why should we give special care and attention to the old people and children with special needs? Why should we give special care and attention to the old people and children with special needs? Why? Yes, we can give the special needs to the old people. Yes, we give special care and attention to the old people, children with special needs. They need help in walking across the roads, and the children to feed them and playing. We give special support. Up to here we have to finish, Nana. Up to here we have to finish. And next page you have to turn. Here itself second one is there, second lesson, who does what work. Who does what work. Here is some pictures, 2.1 picture is there. What are those families doing? Tick. Here is they are doing eating, cooking, cleaning. Yes or no? Here cutting the vegetables you should write here. Next one is that state whether true or false. Here it says it's there true or false. That is, the elders of family are involved earning a living. Yes. Family members should not help each other with household works. Family members not help. Yes, we can help each other in our family. Then that is that false. It is wrong, no, false. That we should depend on single person to do all the works at home. No, we cannot. We can sharing the works. That means it is false. That family members should spare time to spend with the others. Yes, with others and family members with the sharing also have. And that we have to finish up to page number 9. We have to complete our second lesson, who does what works, application book, worksheet number 2.1. We have to finish. And next worksheet we have to discuss a next session. Up to here, what is that? First page number 1, 2. You have to page number 1. Open the textbook, application book, worksheet, our family, worksheet 1.1. You should open that first page number. Have 5 question answers. Second one, have true or false and identify the types of families. Second page. Third page have 1.2 worksheet. Finish and tap the page. Fourth page we have to something table on that. You have to write, and this is your homework. And fourth one over. Fifth page worksheet 1.3. This is 2 types of bits are there. Should finish. And the next one is there 1.4 first lesson 1.4 worksheet. This we have to finish here now. And this is for our giving second session. This is why, because it is essay question. Now it is there is no time to write, and you have to go to that 8th page number second lesson. You have to write what they are doing. Under that you should write with your pencil. And this is the true or false. Now I will tell you. First one is true, second one one is false, third one is false, fourth one is true. Up to here, page number 9, the application book for third class we have to finish, Nana. You should complete in your home and write with neatly, and you should compulsory buy the textbook. Otherwise, you can't write the exam properly. Why? Because answers are not going to clarity.